All right. The formula, we know that the integral of a constant gives you the constant times x plus your c, which is the known as the integral constant. Therefore, integral of 8 dx give you 8x plus c. Okay, nothing funny. Just straight away you have 8 dx plus c. The next example here, you have pi dx. We know pi is just a constant, 3 point whatever. So you're going to get your outcome to be, okay, that'll be pi x plus your c. Pi is just a constant. No need to be worried, no need to be panicky. Pi is just a constant. The next formula is x power n. X power n. So you plus the n by 1 divided by n plus 1 is the reverse process of the differentiation. Okay, it's a different reverse process or differentiation. Therefore, x power to the negative 4 plus 1, -3 divided by -3 plus c. X power to the 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus your c. Okay, these were done already. And then number 3 is the more comprehensive, and it's only for linear factors. You will not see non-linear. In the event it is non-linear, you have to expand or simplify, and it is for non-negative 1. Negative 1, we have a different formula. So for here, 3 times by 2x minus 5 power to the 3. Yes, 2x minus 5 is a linear factor. So we can use the formula. 3 is the coefficient. You copy the 3. 2x minus 5 n plus 1, which is 4 divided by 2. The 2 is the coefficient of your x. 4 is n plus 1. Of course, plus c. Here, you'll get -4. Is this a linear factor? Yes, it is a linear factor. 3 minus 2, -2, divided by the coefficient of your x and the power of -2 plus your c. Your answer must be in simplest form. I will not simplify here because our aim is just to practice the integration. All right, these 3 rules we already done on Thursday. Today's lesson, integral of exponential, it gives you the exponential, because differentiation of exponential is exponential, right? Ex. So there is no difference. So therefore 6 ex gives you 6 ex. -3 ex gives you -3 for the coefficient. Integral ex is ex plus your c. Number 5 is what you need to remember, because number 5 and 4, they are the same. The m is 1, a is 1, b is 0. Formula is m actually has no impact of integration, is the coefficient of the function. Copy the whole thing. E power must be only linear. Okay, e power only linear divided by a. What is your a? Is the coefficient of your x. So looking at this formula, your m is 2. Copy the m, copy the whole exponential, divide by the coefficient of your x, which is -4. Therefore, you'll be getting 5, copy the whole thing, 6x plus 3 divided by 6 plus your C. Alright, the next is we know for the event when your n is equivalent to -1. This is the event when you have your n is equals to -1. So this is actually equivalent to integral x power to the -1 dx. The earlier formula we cannot use for -1. If you have -1, the answer should be ln modulus x. The modulus is mandatory. If you do not have the modulus, -1 mark. Okay, it is only for -1. -2, if it is x power to the -2, then you go back to your formula number 2. Okay, if it's -3, formula number 2, only -1. So 8 over x, if you cannot see this, you can write it as integral 8 times 1 over x. So therefore, you go back to that. 8 is coefficient. So 8 ln modulus x plus c. Therefore, you'll be getting 5 ln modulus x plus c. And of course, the formula number 7 is the most important. The 6 and 7, they are the same actually. M is 1, A is 1, B is 0. So, again, it is only for AX plus B. AX plus B means linear, nothing else. If it's quadratic or what, you unlike you it won't be there for you. Syllabus very shallow. So M is the coefficient of the function. A is the coefficient of your x. Must divide. Divide ln modulus the linear factor plus c. -9 over 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is a linear factor. -9 over 2. Why is it 2? The coefficient of your x. Ln modulus of the 2x plus 1 plus c. Therefore, 3 ln modulus 4 minus x divided by -1 plus your c. Of course, you can simplify that. All right, you got to be very careful. We are doing integration, not differentiation. Integral of sine is negative cos. Please be careful. Integral of sine x is negative cos. Example, integral of 3 sine x, you should be getting -3 cos x. Okay. The most important formula under the trigo would be number 9. More comprehensive, again the same thing, m ax plus b. Okay, the same format. It's just that now we have sine as our function. Negative, why negative? Because we are integrating sine. M is the coefficient, a is again coefficient of your x. A again is the coefficient of your x plus your b. You'll be getting -m over a cos ax plus b, of course, plus c. Integral of sine negative cos. So Negative 3 over 5 cos 5x plus 2 plus your c. Therefore, negative 2, I should have another negative because we're integrating the sign. Negative 2 cos 5 minus 7x divide by negative 7. Of course, you can simplify this. I'm not doing it because we are just applying the formula. Simplification is your prior knowledge. Similarly, integral of cos is positive sign. Is positive sign. Integrating negative 2 cos x. The negative 2 is your coefficient of your m. Negative 2 cos means sine plus your c. Again, the most important formula is number 11. Same format. M cos linear function. Only linear function. Ax plus b. You will not see non-linear. So m over a cos means sine. The linear plus your c. So 3 cos 5x minus 1. You'll be getting 3 over 5 sine 5x minus 1 plus your c. Therefore, negative 5 as negative 5. Integral of cos gives you sine 2 minus 4x divided by negative 4 plus your c. Of course, you can simplify.